family. How is everyone doing? Hope you guys are having a great week. And we are now in hump day and you're ready for the weekend. All right, I just came on. This dish is very simple. I'm just gonna make spaghetti with ground turkey, onions in the pan, and some sauces. So this will be quick and simple, you know, for our hump day. So I have garlic powder here. I have onion powder. I have black pepper. And I told you guys about this seasoning that's pretty freaking awesome. It is called the Trinity. It has celery, onion, and bell pepper in it. Also, I have salt. I'm going to use a half a jar of the fire roasted tomato pasta sauce. And then I'm going to use a half a jar of the roasted garlic parmesan. And we have spaghetti. Now in this pot, I only have a half a pound of ground turkey because I'm only cooking it for me. So as I said, this is going to be quick, simple. And I also, as you can see, chopped up a half of an onion. So let's just go ahead and get this done. Are you guys ready for Mother's Day? I've gotten a few of my Mother's Day gifts already. So tomorrow I will post what my daughter got me for Mother's Day. It's pretty cool. But let me go ahead and get this browned up, and then we'll come back. Now you can use ground beef, but this is a ground turkey that I'm using. Okay, the ground turkey is done. And always remember, check the seasoning of your meat before you add your pasta sauce. So again, I'm going to do a half a jar of the roasted garlic. I hate dry spaghetti, you guys. And then I'm going to do a half a jar of the fire roasted. Okay, so that's a half a jar each. Now, if you do a full pound of either ground beef or ground turkey, I would use 2 of the jars in its entirety. And always remember, when you're ever adding a tomato base of anything, always add a pinch of sugar. And no, it won't make it sweet, but it's something with the acidity of it that it just kind of highlights. Now I know a lot of people, I'm more of a lot of people like a lot of meat in their spaghetti. I like a lot of sauce more than meat. So that's the reason I only did a half a pound. All right, I'm gonna cut this on low and I'm gonna let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And then we will start with the noodles. As I say, a simple spaghetti for a quick night dinner. You see the color of that? That means those sauces are really rich. All right, I'll be back.